I'm in Christiansted and we're gonna try Luncheria Mexican food here, and it's cute. It's really beautiful. But yes, it's like kind of local vibe. I think the food will be good, and they have a patio outside, so I think it will be fun. Let's see if they have some food for me. I'm starving. So the food looks really good, beautiful, and a lot of food. I went for the traditional chicken fajitas and then rice and beans because I miss it. Let's try it. Refried beans. It's pretty good. Oh, it's pretty good. This is the chicken. Super good. Super good. Comigo with guacamole. I recommend it. It's pretty good. Love it. And it's really nice. Pretty good, pretty good.